I'm very happy to introduce Mr. Bolla Ushneesh Nandan. Mr. Nandan has secured All India rank of 4 in the Engineering Service Examination 2025 in the Civil Engineering branch of Engineering. Mr. Ushneesh, hearty congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Ushneesh, you have availed from ESE Academy the classroom coaching and also the mains live classes, prelims online test series, mains offline test series, postal coaching, and also interguidance program. You please tell us how this ES Academy classroom coaching and the other coachings that you availed helped you in your preparation and securing the rank of All India rank 4 in the ESC.
So first thing, I availed the short-term course after my second year. Sir, after that course, I realized that I know nothing in my BTech. So later on, I started my preparation slowly from the ACE engineering class notes, thoroughly revising the formulas and learning the basics strongly, sir. So this is the one of the major step in my life where I had having the strong foundation for the civil engineering. Sir, coming to the test series, I prepared. Sir, I had written test series for GATE as well as ESC prelims and mains. Sir, I had revised the wrongly attempted questions or the some of the questions I have never seen in my life. So these questions I practiced thoroughly so that at least if the same questions were given in the exam, similar model, it would be helpful for me. So this kind of practice I had done for the GATE and ESC prelims. Coming to the mains, sir. Sir, mains I used to write in the Delhi center offline test series. So it helps me in the speed and accuracy, sir. Uh,
Good, Mr. Ushnish.
yes,
Mr. Ushnish, you are from Gayatri Vidya Parishat, Vizag, Andhra Pradesh, right?
yes, sir.
You passed your BTech from there in the year 2021.
Yes, sir.
So, what have you been doing from 2021 onwards?
Sir, I am preparing for engineering services, sir. In 2023, I got All India rank 71. So I joined QSNC in MES. In 2024, I got All India rank 12. So I just swapped my department into IDSC, sir.
IDSC. Now you are going to switch over to railways this year, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so very good, Ushnish. I'm very happy to see you through this video. And with your successful journey and cracking 3 times this engineering series examination, can you put some elaborative strategies that you followed for your prelims preparation as well as the mains preparation?
Sir, before the joining the job, my preparation for the prelims is constant. Like morning for the first, I used to wake up at 5 o'clock, irrespective of climate. So I used to prepare for the first 1.5 hour the short notes, sir. Short. So later 1.5 hour the GS part. So this is my constant preparation for the first 3 hours. Sir, coming to the later part, in the 9 to 12 or 10 to 1 slot, I used to do the theory part of the paper too. Like whereas there are many subjects which have theory and max part. This is the generally I used to do. In the afternoon part, generally I used to do the numericals of the civil engineering. In the evening after 6 post the snacks, I used to have only the test series revision part and moreover the pre-quiz, sir. This is the generalized strategy I used to follow for the prelims. So coming to the mains, sir, I used to study the I used to do mostly the PYQs from fixed tenure, that is 2015 to 2024. I used to do them repeatedly, not going the beyond 2015 because mains problems are somewhat lengthy. So I need to get the speed. So I used to practice only from 2015 to 24, and mostly afternoon, mostly 6 to 9, sir. Evening part, I used to solve the test series itself.
So this was your routine
Ah,
activity, right?
yes, sir.
So before joining the job, once
Yes, sir.
after joining the job, you would have been busy with the daytime with your office work, right?
Yes, sir. From 9 to 4, mostly I have gone undergone training, sir.
So in such case, how you used to prepare for this ESE because you got a Golden Rank 4 now, right? So
The morning part was almost similar, sir. I used to do the short notes for the technical part and the GS part, sir, because morning time has a good, somewhat good mind. So in
uh,
the evening part, I used to, after 5 o'clock, I used to study the technical PYQs and the test series parts. 2 hours I used to get. Most probably Saturday and Sunday is a holiday for me, so I used to do the major work there, sir.
Okay. You said that you used to prepare your short notes, right?
Yes, sir.
What you used to write in your short notes? Only formally
Sir,
or anything else?
sir, during the initial days, I used to write the only the formulas, sir. But when I thought to prepare for the ESE, I had a remake on my short notes. Like mostly, I introduced the theory part, which was given in the PYQs, sir. First, I had done all the PYQs, so there are some concepts which are new to us. So I had introduced that theory part in my short notes, sir. So which helped me to revise more number of times, sir.
Okay, good. See, when you talk about the prelims examination, especially the paper one,
Yes,
GS
sir.
part, there are 10 topics there.
Yes, sir.
So did you cover all the 10 topics?
Sir, in 2024 and 2023, I haven't covered, sir, but in 2025, I had covered almost all the subjects, sir.
Okay, right. Good. So how many marks you might have got this year in the GS part?
Sir, based on key, I think 320 total, sir. I'm not sure about the individual score.
Okay, right,
Uh,
right,
210 and 110, sir.
right. Good. Uh, Regarding the mains part, you said Ushnish, you used to solve the PYQs from the 2015 year onwards, right? You
Yes,
covered
sir.
around 9 to 10 years. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So apart from these coaching notes and the notes what you prepared, did you refer to any textbooks
No,
additionally?
sir.
Not
No,
necessary.
sir.
Not
No, no,
necessary.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. On the day of your mains examination, Mr. Ushnish, see, morning paper one, evening you have, afternoon session you have paper two. How many marks did you attempt in each paper? Mains.
Sir, this time I had attempt to some extent, sir. Almost 260 in 250 in the paper one, 260 in the paper two, sir.
Mhm. Okay, right. What was your strategy while writing these mains questions there? Because we have 8 questions out of that, you have to write 5 questions. Again, we have compulsory questions there. So, what sequence did you follow there in the mains exam?
Sir, 2025 is literally is unpredictable, sir, and the paper was extremely tough. So this time I thought not to, because I thought attempting 300 is very difficult part this time. So I need to attempt accurately and with less number of questions. So, sir, there are two questions in the structural part which are non-mandatory. These two questions, at least out of 120 marks, I know 110 marks, sir. So first I attempted these two questions. Then, sir, wherever the remaining questions I have seen, I'm only aware of only 30 marks. So I had picked one question where I can get 30 marks for sure. Remaining questions, I'm confused with, maybe I can get 30 or 30. I'm not sure about that also. So I attempted one 30 marks question. I need to get that 100%. And at last, I attempted in the paper one, sir, the mandatory questions. But compared to the paper two, the mandatory questions are very simple, sir. So first I
Okay,
attempted those questions. Sir, in my opinion, first attempt which questions are easy and you can score as many marks as possible. So
okay, that's fine. Mr. Ushnish,
yes, sir.
coming to our interview,
Yes, sir.
so what type of questions were there? Can you share two, three interesting questions, especially
Sir,
regarding our hobbies, etc.?
this year they haven't asked much about the DAF, sir. Mostly they are concentrated on generalized questions like how can you improve the hunger index, how can you remove the poverty, and moreover, mostly my state related questions why Telangana and Andhra is bifurcated, in what aspects Andhra is lacking current compared to the Telangana. They asked most generalized questions, sir. So I felt it's somewhat better because in 2024 they asked much more tough questions, sir.
Okay. So how
So,
many marks you got in 2024 ESE interview?
sir, 100, sir.
100 marks. What was your rank that time?
Sir, 12, sir.
12. So 100 marks interview, you got 12th rank, right? I think
Yes, sir.
maybe had you scored more than good marks like 120, 130, you would have been in the top
Yes,
three,
sir.
four, right? Okay, good. Right. Okay. So maybe you are aiming railways this year, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ushnish, from your successful journey, can you share with us some tips and suggestions to the aspirants of engineering service examination in general and civil engineering students in particular?
Sir, my strategy is very simple. Like first go through the class notes, first attend and try to attend all the classes and make a notes properly. So that is the basic source for our preparation, sir. It may take like some students get my first year, second, some may student get crack in second year. So how many years it will take? The first source is the class notes, sir. So try to write the all the topics which are taught in the class in the notes properly. Then try to solve the PYQs and the classroom practice questions, sir. From that, prepare a proper concise short note so that it will help you to cover major of the topics. So that by reading the formula theory, you should grab all the concepts from that small point. So first these two are the foremost things, sir. Then do the PYQs from a fixed tenure part. Don't go beyond 1990, 1985. That doesn't make any sense, sir. Take 15 to 20 years if possible. Try to solve these 15 to 20 years with at least 3 to 4 times so that it will give clarity. And moreover, sir, if the question is even though if the question is aware of you, try to read the theory which was given in the PYQs when the solutions will be given in the PYQs part. Those theories, what I have found, sir, in ESE, the new questions are directly made from this theory point and the PYQ theory point. So it will be helpful, definitely helpful. At least 5 to 10 questions you have edge from the others. So this is what I and last test series, sir, because test series gives you what mistakes you are committing, and you will rectify. Because without test series, you think everything is easy, but when you write the test series, even small things also we will commit the mistakes. So from test series, the only agenda is we will reduce our mistakes, and at least we have good confidence while going to the exam, sir.
Very good, Ushneesh. I once again congratulate you and wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.